Well, hello. It has been a while since we've been doing a vlog type thing, but we're staying at Pop Century. Figured while we're staying here, do a little room tour. It's not very big, but that's what we'll do right now. So I'm going to show you around the room real quick, in case you're going to stay here and wonder what it looks like. All right, so when you first walk in, this is what it looks like here. This has some chairs. I've already moved them, but this is the Murphy bed. I'll show you how that works. But so you've definitely got two beds in here. So you got your TV, your dresser, and here you've got, well, my camera, but you got coffee, and then you got your fridge down here, and you can put, you got your ice bucket, and you got different things there. Then you've got your dresser with the TV, and you got a rack. You can put coats or shirts there. That's one of the chairs. And then you turn here, there's the main bed, and that is the Murphy bed. And all you do here is pull this down and bed. And it's actually just as comfortable as this bed. So these are nice, and they have little designs. So this one's got Pluto. They have little designs on the thing up there. But as easy as that, and if you want to put it back up, and I'm doing this one-handed, by the way, and it's not hard, is just push it up. That goes back in, and then you've got a table, and the chairs can go in there. So you've got gives you a little extra space when that's not up. You got room here. For us, over at Pack and Play for our son, so we'll probably put him right here. We'll see, maybe there, but you got spots there. Then you got the bathroom, which is, pretty simple. Not a whole lot there. Got your sink, your H2O product. Put some things there if you want to store some stuff, hang some stuff, and then you get your bathroom. And pretty basic. Sliding glass shower. And yeah. And you got your H2O products right there on the bump. So it's not a big room. That's the walk around, walk through. So this is just obviously a studio room here. But if you guys have any questions, hop them in the comments below, and we will answer them. So talk to you guys later. Bye.